iDeaPad 3 motherboard. I gotten a few complaints, well, actually not complaints, I gotten a few suggestions to add a little bit of variety. We'll see how that goes. I kind of like my niche, but I do work on various other devices on occasion. So let me show you what's going on. It's nothing too technical. What we have here is a broken port, and this is going to be basically just a port replacement job. I have not done this particular brand port before, so we're going to start with, we'll have to play with our temperature profiles a little bit. So while I set that up my equipment, I'll tell you what my expected temperature is going to be. I threw these temperatures on here. It could be as low as 380 C to remove it, but I suspect we're going to be in the 450 range. I probably won't use the low, and I'll keep my irons the same. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is kind of what we typically always do, is we're going to flood these anchors with low melt just to lower the temperature requirement of this job. I suspect this thing will pop out pretty quickly. Alright, came out pretty smooth. Okay, we've changed over to irons to the 120 watt WXP 120 so we can wick. The low melt should help and assist with the wicking. Pretty thin board, so that's going pretty cleanly. Very good. I like it when it's that easy. Uh-oh, we lost a part though. Let's go ahead and deal with that. Alright, switch back to our, I think for this we'll use the Pico pencil. It's a little more precise. So maybe you can handle it. And that particular pad it does not like. These two will go fine. Alright. Aqua pencil for the other side. That's better. You can come at this at a little different angle for that one. I don't want to knock our part back off the board. Oop, I've already noticed it. And we got good feed through on all the anchors. Excellent. Alright, final inspection. That's the bottom. And with our part replaced as well. And there's the top. All the feed through on the anchor points. And that's really it for this one. Okay, in summary, just a port repair on this iDeaPad. Let me be very clear that I don't really do these as mail-in repairs. I will occasionally look at them for business to business under certain conditions. I don't really like doing anything that's really not an obvious problem. You can spend hours upon hours chasing problems on these boards, and a lot of times they use manufacturer numbers or what they call house numbers on the parts that don't cross over to any known part. And I don't have tons of donor boards with possible replacement parts for laptops. I generally do game console repairs. So, but if you're a business and you have like a broken port or obviously blown issue or trace repair or something like that, I'm willing to do that. But that's about it on laptops. Anyway, I did this for a little bit of to shake it up, a little bit of variety. If you have any questions about the equipment I used in this video, take a look in the description below. They're all linked down there. All those are Amazon links. So if you click on any link in the description and buy anything during that session, a small portion of that will go to help support the channel. Greatly appreciated by me. There are also some other support links in the description if you want to take advantage of those instead. If you liked the video, do me a favor, hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And you'll know when I post videos. Right now, I'm in a point where I'm just kind of doing once a week. I hope to work back up to twice a week. I don't know if I already have by the time this posts. We'll see. And that's really all I have to ask you. I appreciate you watching. I'll see you next time.